Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. In this video we are going to fix PS5 party chat not working and also know how to disable game chat audio. So watch the video till the end. First thing, go to the setting of PS5 and then click on users and account. Then go to privacy and click on view and customize your privacy settings. And go to the communication and multiplayer sections. Check here the both option who can ask to be your friend and who can interact with your through parties and game message. Both options are allowed to anyone. And second, go to the adjust privacy settings by the choosing a profile. After doing this, the PS chat will start working. If you want to disable game chat audio, then go to the setting, then voice chat settings and click on the disable game chat audio allow if you want to mute it audio. I hope this video is useful for you and solve your problem. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.